How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're basically taking the Pixel 9a and the Pixel 8a and comparing them video and photo. So stay all the way till the end of this video to understand the point of this video. But yeah, so right now I'm recording on 4K 30 frames per second with the selfie cameras. And the kids went inside to get Powerade. We're about to head to a park and play some Pokemon Go. And I'm gonna take some pictures out there. This is a blind test, so I'm not gonna tell you which video is from what phone. I'll know, but the reveal will be somewhere in the end, but not specifically at the end. So yeah, you don't wanna miss this. Stay all the way through. All right, so we made it to our destination, family and I. And yeah, now we're recording with the main camera, 4K 30 frames. That's about the most that I'll do. And we're gonna go play some Pokemon Go. So I am gonna snap some photos too while I'm out here. And you guys tell me in the comments, either A or B, which one you think was overall best in this camera test. I do not have a lot of time because since it does get hot in this city, it'll start degrading the resolution of the camera because it'll consider the phone warming up too fast. So do what I can, but yeah, here's another cool spot to take some photos. All right, let's see if I can catch it with my family. Also, let me know how the stabilization's doing. That's another thing that I want you guys to judge. I know I'm asking a lot of you guys to judge the photos, judge the videos, judge the stabilization, but it's all for a good reason. So, okay. All right, so it's a little darker now. Sun is setting. Well, it's pretty much set already. We got a storm behind us coming, or at least some rain. Of course, you know where I live at, it could be deceiving. And the sun is setting on that side. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys tell me which camera did good. Light, dark, video, stabilization, all those things. Drop a comment section. Thanks for checking out today's video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. By the way, if you guys want to know, videos on the left and photos on the left are from the Pixel 8a. Videos on the right and photos on the right are Pixel 9a.